So I'm ready to do the practical of this strategy that I did about 9 days ago. This boom and crash strategy, where I showed you how to combine three powerful indicators to give you sniper entries for dictating when a spike will occur in your boom or crash. Okay, so I've gone through the comments. I saw that a substantial amount of people have dropped comments for me to do the practicals. So that is what I'll be doing right away in this tutorial. But before I get started on that, if this is your first time of coming across our channel here, Suget, our channel on YouTube is called Suget Exchanger, and then I would like you to support us by hitting the subscribe button so that you can get more juicy and money making tutorials on Deriv and other money making opportunities like this. Before I jump to my MetaTrader, I need to share something very important for our traders in Nigeria. Okay, so if you're a trader on Deriv or any other trading platform and you have been using Perfect Money, I guess by now you'll be aware that Perfect Money is closing down in Nigeria by the end of this month of November. Okay, so a very good alternative that you can use in place of Perfect Money is called Volet. I did a video on that previously, all right, where I mentioned the Perfect Money alternative in Nigeria. So you can use a Volet, and we just added a Volet on our website here. Okay, so we just added Volet some days ago on our site here on Suget. You can see this is the Volet. This is our site here, suget.com. Okay, apart from our YouTube channel that we drop tutorials, we also have a digital exchange platform called suget.com, where you can buy or sell various digital currencies like your Bitcoin, USDT, Perfect Money, InstaForex, PayPal, Coin, and Volet is getting popular. It's accepted on Deriv. So if you are having issues with using Perfect Money or on your Deriv account, you can just check your Deriv cashier page. Just see the screenshot on the screen. You will see that there's what we call Volet. So you can just use Volet in place of Perfect Money to deposit to your Deriv account and to withdraw money from your Deriv account. You can also use Deriv payment agent, which Suget is also a payment agent on Deriv. All right. So if you want to fund your Volet account, or you want to withdraw money from your Volet account, you can do them on suget.com by simply coming to our platform here. You just click on this button, you click on register. If you are doing it for the first time, you simply register on Suget, and then once you've registered and you've activated your account, then you can then sign in. You can then sign into your Suget account and just place order to buy Volet funds or to sell Volet funds, and you receive Naira to your bank account. So this is my MetaTrader now. I will just be going straight to the practical. I would not explain a lot about how the indicators work. If you want to do that, just please watch the video. That's the video I showed you at the beginning. I will also leave the link to that video in the description part of this video, and on the comment section I'll pin it so you can watch that video for you to understand how these three indicators work. So now we'll just be waiting for signals. So if I see a signal, I'll just take a trade. And like I always do in all my tutorials, I use my live account. I don't use demo like some other YouTubers do. I use my live account because to show you that this strategy is working. So I'm willing to use my own real money. If I show you, this is my live account and it's what I trade regularly. You can see. So it's something that I'm sharing that is working very well. So I'm willing to use my real money to trade this strategy. So once we see a signal, I'll just take a trade. Okay, this is Crash 1000. We've not yet gotten a signal here. Okay guys, so Crash 1000, I'll just the red and the green line have touched each other. So I'll just take a trade, Crash 1000 for sale. Okay, so let's see how it goes. This particular trade, I missed it. As I was about to take the trade was when the spike occurred. So this may be another opportunity for us. So let's just see, wait 5 minutes. If the spike doesn't occur in 5 minutes, then I'll just close the trade in a small loss. Okay, guys, so you can see it's 5 minutes already and the spike did not occur. So I'll just simply close this trade in a small loss and it's cash 1000. It doesn't really bring so much loss. Sometimes the red and the green line may come in contact and the spike will not still occur within that 5 minutes. But I'll just close this trade now and just wait for another signal. Okay, so close it in a loss of 50 cents, 0.5. So let's just wait for another signal. We still get a lot more signals from this strategy. Okay, guys, so you can see what I'm talking about. So the spike just occurred now, and this is my second trade. So just close it here. You can see there's a trade here. Got $1.6, so just close it. Okay, done. So this is just exactly how you take trades. Alright, so we've taken two trades now. So the first one was the cash. That was a small loss of $0.5, and the second one now. Okay, so I'll just see if I can take one more trade before I close the video. Okay, so let me take this trade, boom, 500. Okay, so let's see if the spike will occur. Alright. Okay, I've not really traded much today because I've been busy, so I just had to come back to continue. Okay. Okay, so we just got a spike now, though it's not so big a spike, but let me just close the trade. Okay. Just okay. So okay, it's not so big a spike. The profit is very little. So, but I've been able to take the three trades. We lost one and won two. Okay, let's see if I can take one more trade that can give us a good profit.